G'day and welcome to StreetSpecTV. In this episode, we're in the beautiful little village of Tooborac. We're at the Blessing of the Bikes. It's not a bad day. A few bikes here, so let's get around and check it out. Have a look at the beautiful old BSA. How good does that look? Beautiful example. Have a look at that tank badge. It's like a reflection. It really shines in the sun. You probably can't see it on the camera, but wow, it looks $1 million. Another beautiful old Harley. Geez, I like the colour. And the tank graphics. Have a look at the tank graphics. How good does that look? 80 cubic inches. Beautiful. And of course you can't go wrong with a road glide. Have a look at this thing. I love this this paint scheme with the #1 stars and stripes on the tank. Beautiful bikes. And in a sea of Harleys, it's always nice to see an Indian. Have a look at this one. What a beautiful example. Beautiful colour. Gotta love an Indian. Here's another beautiful Indian. Good looking bike, good looking motor too. Look at that. Lovely. Here we got some beautiful old Triumphs. Look at these three. Sort of burgundy. Nice sort of purple colour. Beautiful black and red one. Very beautiful looking bikes. Here's a beautiful old Heritage. You gotta love those fishtails on the back. Nice colour too. Beautiful. Look at the paint job. The camera's probably not doing it justice, but boy, it's beautiful. What a colour. Here's a beautiful breakout, sort of matte grey sort of colour, beautiful graphics. Like I said, the camera again probably not doing it justice, but geez, looks $1 million. Big radius pipes, nice big fat rear tyre, just the way you want them. Looks good. And I think we would all agree.
Don't forget, biking is a brotherhood. We all come from different parents, but when we get onto the bike, we are all brothers. Our brothers never leave the next brother on the side of the road. If you see a biker broken down, if you're okay, you stop and you assist. That is the law of biking.
Come on.